Google Search Console is a free web service offered by Google that helps website owners monitor and optimize their website's performance in Google search results. It provides website owners with a variety of tools and reports to help them understand how Google crawls and indexes their website, as well as how their website is performing in search results. For you to start, just search Google Console on your browser, click Start Now, then input your website or URL site you want to inspect. Then, you can start to use Google Search Console to monitor and optimize your website's performance in Google search results. You can also submit sitemaps and individual URLs for crawling by Google's bots, monitor the website's backlinks and any manual actions taken by Google against the website, and identify and fix technical issues that may be impacting the website's performance in search results. In summary, Google Search Console is a valuable tool for website owners.